Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is one of my favorite. I'm making shrimp tacos. Come on. I'm using jumbo shrimp. You can use any shrimp that is available. Slit the raw shrimp in the center, like so. Prep the rest similarly. Heat some oil and saute the shrimp for a few minutes until pink. I'm using store-bought taco seasoning. If smoked paprika is not available, you can also use regular paprika. At this point, we just want the shrimp to be seasoned well with the spices. Keep it aside. In the same pan, just clean with the paper towel. Detailed recipe is in the description box below. The veggies should remain crunchy. Again, I'm using store-bought fajita seasoning. This one already has salt added in it. The other seasonings give an added flavor to the veggies. Mix well and keep them aside. I'm using small yellow corn tortillas. You can use any tortillas that are available. Just warm them up slightly. Now start assembling with the shrimp, then the veggies, here I have sour cream which goes well with the tacos. You can use chopped jalapenos. I'm using Monterey Jack cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Lastly, garnish with the spring onions. These look so tempting. I'm going to have one right now. How about you? If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.